everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely easy but delicious and hearty vegetable stew. So let's get cooking. To start, I'm going to place a saucepan on medium-high heat, to which I'm going to add around half a cup of hot water. So once my water comes to a boil, I'm going to add some curry leaves. I'm also going to tear some of the leaves to release their lovely flavor. And to this, I'm also adding 1 to 2 slit Thai green chilies. This is completely optional, but one chili can go a long way in this dish. So I'm going to cook this mixture for about 10 to 20 seconds. Now I'm going to add my sliced carrots, cover my pot with a lid, and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. So potatoes and pumpkin. I'm going to give all of this a really nice mix, cover my pot with a lid, and cook for around 10 to 12 minutes or until a fork goes through a carrot without any resistance. As you can see, all my vegetables are completely cooked. It's been 10 minutes, and to this I'm going to add my cooked lentils and give everything a really nice mix. At this point, I'm going to add some coconut milk, but you can switch out the coconut milk and add a couple tablespoons of coconut milk powder instead. I'm also going to add some black-eyed peas. This is completely optional, but we can all do with a little more protein in our lives. I'm going to season my dish with salt and black pepper, give everything a final mix, and that's it. That's the complete dish. So as you can see, that was an extremely easy to make vegetable stew. It's a super versatile dish. It's not just for the cold months. I also like to make it in the spring by adding some spring veggies such as some fresh spinach. You can serve it with any grain of your choice, either quinoa or millet or white rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how it went for you, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!